Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dias Paul and thank you so much for all your love and all your support. Yeah, today is a good Friday. The market is closed and I had my personal training classes yesterday and today, so I didn't get too much of time. Finally, I'm over it. Yeah, I didn't get much time to do a learning video today, so I thought I will do a video on updates. So this is the only way I can stay connected with you guys and keep you guys updated on learning and all the things happening in the market related things. So I wrote down few points so that I don't forget again thinking, okay, I forgot telling you guys. So it's a good habit to write down. These days I forget a lot of things because of too many things happening. So now, yeah, the few points which I have. One is the stochastic video. So guys, 2 days or 3 days back, I posted this stochastic momentum index strategy video. Most of you guys have missed to watch. So watch that video and practice that video for at least few months. That's how you get used to an indicator. Take advantage of it and paper trade. So I would not suggest you to put money. So paper trade and practice for few months or add it to your other indicators for a better accuracy. And so practice that. Another one, next point what I want to mention is about Zerodha square of time. So you know Zerodha, when you take leverage 2 times, 10 times, 20 times, automatically it will get squared off at 321, right? So Upstock gets squared off nowadays at 3 o'clock. Other brokerages get squared off at 3, 9, 310, 315 like this. So Zerodha has pushed their limit up to 325. So 3 o'clock 25. So 3:25 p.m. So they have pushed their timings, that extra 20-25 minutes which we get compared to other brokers. So this is something good, new update. But currently this is for FNO. Okay, so if you're taking leverage for FNO stocks at 325, the square off will be done. So you know that early morning, you know, there is advantage. Half an hour there is an advantage. The movements are very fast and quick. Same way, end of the day, half an hour, from 3 o'clock to 3:30, the movements will be very fast and quick. You can see that. So a lot of people take advantage during this period. So this update is really good from them. So I just wanted to inform you guys, for FNO, 3:25 AM is a square off. Till then you can take advantage. Just an update. Apart from that, few people asked me what is the margins. Are we getting margins in Zerodha? Because you saw Upstock was giving 5 times margin few days when Zerodha was not giving. So what is the margin given by Zerodha? So recently when I use from 2 days, I'm seeing margin they're giving around 8 times on FNO, like cover order, sorry. So when I'm doing cover order, I'm getting around 8 times margin. I calculated. So when I took shares, I had few money left over in my capital. So I realized they are giving 8 times, not 5 times. So for 2 days, almost we are getting 8 times margin for now, considering the volatility is little bit decreasing. So let's see if it continues, then it is fine. Then after that, market update. So you know, from back to back 2 days, market is going up, positive green. One way it is a good sign for us because things are getting better in China and all those. So assuming all that things are going better, we are doing this. But remember, if you're planning to invest the money thinking this is the right time I want to buy or invest all my money. So remember, see, this is the lockdown may continue. So a lot of tests can happen. Many things gonna come out in India. So during that time, it may be good news or bad news. So markets can continue falling or go up. So until and unless in global markets, overall globally, things get better, then in India we need to get things get better. That is when good things can happen. So always don't trust, we don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. So don't put bulk amounts. If you're putting, just advice for people who are investing. So if you're putting money, put in dip wise. So if it is falling again, put in dip wise. Don't put everything in one point. Okay, change the point. So as and when you put some technicals and see which is the low risk areas, and from that point start putting money. If it's going further down, then only invest. Don't put everything in one point. So that is more about the market update. Stay safe. So you saw from 2 days the market went up. Even my that small case and that portfolio in Zerodha has come up with 400 rupees profit. So I'm sure most of you guys account which went 2%, 3%, 5% against you. I hope it has recovered. So we can't say tomorrow again if market falls it goes plus and minus, but let's wait for some long time period. Apart from that, next I wanted to tell about the options series video. A lot of people are eagerly waiting for options video. I'm sure you guys want to learn, our subscribers. So option 3 video is the next video, so which I'm already working on it. So don't worry, I'll be posting it very soon. Apart from that, Upstock account opening. So I just wanted to mention this. So many days account opening for Upstock and angel broking was free. Zerodha is charging as normally, and you know it's a top broker. I would recommend to have Zerodha account, and apart from that, angel broking or Upstock. So Upstock was giving a free account, but now still they're giving free account, but initially they are having a brokerage plan. So when you open an account, you should open with some 249 brokerage plan or 3 brokerage plans they have, so that you get additional brokerages for your trading. So that one clause they have over there. So I'm just reminding you. But angel broking remains free again. So open your account if you don't have angel broking and use those research what they're giving for free, robo research. You can take advantage of all those reports and all that. Apart from that, last 2 points, I see a lot of new subscribers coming to our channel. So I don't know, maybe because of lockdown or something. Normally we used to get around 2 point something like that, 2000 subscribers a month. Considering we are English channel, we're going slow growth and need growth. Okay, so maybe because of lockdown, now we are almost crossed, like my analytics says 5k subscribers, that is 5000 subscribers a month is increasing now. So like in English, the number of people who watch is very less. That's the reason you see the views or the subscribers grow very slow compared to a Hindi channel where the boost will be very fast. So we want to stick on to English because I'm good in teaching in English. Hindi, I'm just an elbowed, but I can understand Hindi and other languages, but I'm not good in teaching. So we are sticking to English. So new subscribers are joining. So what's happening, these new subscribers are excited watching my channel, and they're like, they watched all the channels, we're going to start trading. No, because you have a lot of time, you're learning a lot of channels, but you need to spend a lot of time in trading also. So this is one advice, because I am telling this, I have seen a lot of people losing money with that initial excitement. I have lost money. If you see my story, I have lost my money. I have learned. I have taken 8 years to be at least in this stage. Still long way to go. At least other 5-10 years when I'm old, like 30s plus, I'll be a better mature trader. So it takes time. That is the reality. It's not that you come and you make that money. You have to learn a lot of lessons. So I would suggest, don't lose your money. Learn for a few months at least before you take that decision of one stock practice. Learn, do paper trading. Don't lose your money. Anyways, I'm sure that most of the people who are traded initially lost money. So don't waste your money right now. Put it in money. Start learning from wherever you can, either from YouTube or whichever YouTuber you're following, or wherever, whichever source. So I'm reading a lot of books these days. So you also read some books or go through YouTube videos and keep practicing. You need more time. So don't get excited watching 0.3% is easy. Let me do this. No. So practice for a few days and then decide by yourself it is for you, because not everybody can earn money in the market. Most of them people lose. So if you see 100% people should try. So whoever is able to sustain can continue, rest people you can't. So that is the reality and truth. Last one is Telegram channel. Yes, I just wanted to talk about this Telegram channel because see, I have only one Telegram channel, okay, and one WhatsApp number for this smart trader thing. So WhatsApp number is 7892652481. So only communication is with that, and Vinay is one who is currently working as a customer care member. So anyone messaging you as WhatsApp or you are contacting them, it is not valid, because most of the people think this is smart trader, he is smart trader, because anybody can fool you by saying smart trader. Only one customer care number which you see in my videos, only that one you can contact. If not, no, nothing else is smart trader. If anyone is telling you it's smart trader, you can just send that screenshot or something to our WhatsApp customer care, so we will be aware of those. Talking about Telegram, we have only one public Telegram channel. The name is Smart Trader. Remember the spelling, SMART, Smart, TRADER, Trader. This is the only channel we have as public. So when you search in Telegram, this is the public channel which you get around 7.3k subscriber as of now. So you can see our logo also, Smart Trader logo. You can see the blue logo always, right? So this is the only channel. The problem what's happening is there is one more channel. I'm not sure who's the owner, but Smart Traders, one X is extra in the last. So people are thinking that is the Smart Trader channel and they are joining that particular channel, and whatever course they are giving, they are paying for that, and few people are WhatsApping our customer care and asking, we paid the money, you didn't give the course still, and all those. So that is when we are getting in to know that there is one more group and they are doing this particular activity. It is their work, we are not interfering, but it is their rights to put whatever name they want. But if you're selecting, be very careful. See the logo of Smart Trader. Okay, that is the only channel we have, one public group. Secret group, secret Telegram group, anyways we give you access, so that one don't need to worry. So be very careful whenever you join any particular group or something. Smart Trader has only one WhatsApp number, and the same number has one Telegram group, that is Smart Trader. That is the spelling, okay, with the logo of Smart Trader. That's it. Don't trust any other group. If anything, you find anything else, you can just WhatsApp our customer care team, so they will forward it to me. I will have a cross check and take proper actions. So that's what I had to tell you guys. So these are the few updates. Hope you guys are using the time properly for learning, and hope all things are going good at you guys. So I would say take care of yourself, take care of your family during this period. I'm sure you guys are getting bored and all that, but it is all good for our own self, staying safe now, so that our future will be better. So anyways, thank you so much. Please be giving the same love you guys are giving and all those things. So thank you so much. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.